The number of systems and applications that organizations use is growing enormously. It is not always easy to have them communicate with each other, so that the correct data is available everywhere without the need for manual actions. By using Dovetail, new and existing systems and applications can be integrated within their own IT infrastructure and, of course, also in the cloud. As a result, the correct data is always up to date and available in real time whenever the data is requested in a system or application. You can fully determine yourself which integrations are needed for the organization and configure them in the Dovetail Flow Designer. Visual configuration is easy with Flow Designer. Drag and drop the components in a process flow and build the desired process from start to finish without the need for programming knowledge. When configuring the flows, you can indicate how an incoming message should be transformed into a format that another system can automatically process. You can also specify that messages should be copied and spread to other places within the organization, such as to a selected mailbox. Via Flow Manager, you can then exactly see what is happening in the organization in terms of data flows. The Clear Management tool provides an overview of all processes. Each flow displays its status at a glance. If there is a malfunction in a process flow, in the Flow Manager, you can immediately see where and what it is. Dovetail. Integration made easy. Integrate quickly, directly, and easily. Intuitive drag-and-drop user interface. Ideal for non-programmers, no code. Security and privacy by design. Continuous market-oriented product development. Solid base of Apache Camel. An affordable SME solution, scalable and manageable. A solution from a local organization with an international character. Curious about what Dovetail can mean for your organization? Contact us today.
+31 85 202 0302.
info@dovetail.world. www.dovetail.world